Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to sign in to Netflix without password. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix and after that open your Netflix account like this in front of you and click on sign in. Here, if you don't remember your password or if you don't have your password, you have just to put your email there and click on use a sign-in code. So when you click use a sign-in code, you don't have to use your password, but Netflix will send you 4-digit password from them, not your actual password. You can use it to sign in to Netflix without your actual password. So this is a good solution if you want to share your Netflix account with someone and you don't want that person to share your account with other people. So by using this sign-in code, he can only open your account with that code only for one time because that code expires after 15 minutes. So that's why it's it will be changing every time. And I will try it with you. So I will click send sign-in code and go to my email and the sign-in code arrived. So here it is. And voila, as you can see, my Netflix account is open without the use of my actual password. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.